Alright, so this do-do-do is about try using video for business processes with Motley Crue. I'll explain later. So what about a business process video about what to expect next when working with us? This video can save your team time explaining what's going to happen next and even avoid some of the wrong kinds of clients. Like how Motley Crue sets expectations. Look, this is our music dungeon. No visitors while we're practicing. But these ladies don't respect the rules. So Motley Crue locks them up in this like spiky jail thing that they've created. So they set expectations and then they manage those expectations. So also, how about a leadership video? Do you ever get tired of giving the same 1 hour speech about some of the more mundane stuff you have to cover when you have a new team member, about how to do your job or why you're there, about specific tasks? Like this lady in the Motley Crue video. She is obviously a leader. She's like a She-Ra warrior chief operations officer, I think. And she knows what to do. Look, she battles a lead guitarist, and then she says, to heck with it. I'm gonna burn this place down and set my girls free. And that's what she does. All right, that's it for this do-do-do. That is, use video to do business processes. We'll see you next time, and Motley Crue, take it away. Oh, did they just go Van Halen right there a little bit?